Noun claims to run the grammar game because all of things they name. Just think a minute, look and see. Nouns depend on verbs like me. A person could not walk or talk, play ball, or climb a tree. Any place that you can name could not even be. As far as things, forget it, kid. Things just don't stand a chance without a verb. A bell can't ring, a beer can't dance, a bird can't sing, the sun can't shine, and the moon can't glow. The tree need verbs to make them grow. Now you know why verbs expect nouns to give us some respect.